Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to your ultimate guide for the 2025 Walmart mop. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine with ease. This video will walk you through every step, ensuring your floors sparkle without any hassle. We cover unboxing, simple setup, and effective cleaning techniques. You'll be a mopping pro in mere minutes. It really is that straightforward. Assembling your new mop is incredibly straightforward. First, connect the handle sections. They should click together firmly. Next, make sure your mop head is securely attached. It simply twists or snaps on. Finally, fill your bucket with the appropriate cleaning solution and warm water, ready for action. You are now almost set to begin your cleaning journey. For a truly effective clean, technique matters. Dip your mop head fully into the cleaning solution, then use the wringer to remove most of the water. You want it damp, not soaking wet. Mop in an S-shaped pattern, working backward from the farthest corner. This method traps dirt efficiently and prevents streaks. Your floors will look spotless with minimal effort. Keeping your mop in top condition is simple and ensures it lasts longer. After each cleaning session, detach the mop head and rinse it completely under warm, running water. You can even machine wash most mop heads for a deeper clean. Ensure it air dries fully before storing it away. Proper care keeps your mop fresh and ready for its next use. Here are a few final pro tips for an even better clean. Always sweep or vacuum your floor before mopping. This removes loose debris first. Remember to change your cleaning solution often, especially when tackling large areas, to avoid just moving dirt around. Follow these steps, and your floors will always gleam. Enjoy your sparkling clean home with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.